Great. Let's do the chapter test so that you have this to study with for the retest. 5.3 miles to feet. To feet. So we have to get the miles to cancel. So I'm going to put miles on the denominator. We got to come up with feet. And 1 mile, that's 5,280 feet. Something that you need to put on your note card if you don't know it. And so there's the miles cancel. We get left with feet. And that's dividing by 1, so there's nothing. So it's just 5.3 times 5,280. And that comes out to be 2,794 feet. The second problem, or 1b, 2,845 square centimeters. That means centimeters twice, centimeters times 10 centimeters, to square meters. So we're going to meters. We're getting the centimeters to cancel. Centa means hundredth, like a cent, like in pennies. So 1 meter is 100 centimeters, but there's two of them, centimeters and centimeters again, so I need to do this twice. So centimeter cancels one of the centimeters, centimeter cancels the other one, and I'll have meters squared. And so I have to take 2,845 divided by 100, and then divided by 100 again, and I get 0.2845. Number 2. 1 cubic yard of gravel weighs 1.4 tons. So the gravel is 1.4 tons per 1 yard cubed, or 1 yard cubed is 1.4 tons. I have to multiply by one of those at some point. Not sure which one. Now let's go here. How many tons of gravel would it take to cover a parking area 40 feet by 20 feet? So 40 feet, 20 feet with 3 inches. So that's a rectangular box, so you multiply all 3. So the volume is 40 feet by 20 feet by 3 inches. Now we need it in cubic yards. So I've got to do some conversion here. I got to convert that feet. So I'm going to put feet down here and yards. And 1 yard is 3 feet. Feet, not feed. That converts one of the feet, but I have to do it again. And 3 feet. That would get that one converted. Now I got to convert the inches. And the inches, and I can go straight to yards if I know that there are 36 inches in a yard, but if I don't, I know that there's 12 inches in 1 foot, and then 1 foot is 3 feet is 1 yard. There we go. So now those feet would cancel, those inches would cancel. And I'm going to have these yard times yard times yard, so I'm going to have cubic yards. So let's see what this works out to be. So I'm going to do 40 times 20 times 3 over 3 times 3 times 12 times 3. And so let's divide that. 2,400 divided by 324. And I get approximately 7.4 yards cubed. Now I got to take and multiply that by, let's see, I'll multiply it by this one so that the yards cubed cancel. So 1.4 tons is 1 yard cubed, so that the yards cubed cancel, and I get an answer of times 1.4 equals, and that's 10.37 tons. Okay, and pause there.